Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to get the Sigil of Bonding in Crimson Desert. First things first, head to this side of the map. This is in the Florindale area of the Pororin village southeast of Hernand. Just to remind you, you need to complete the Trembling Woods questline to access this village. We have a video on this channel for completing that questline, so make sure to check it out. Once you're here, you'll see this vendor carrying a bag roaming in this part of the village. This is also the new secret pet vendor that was added in the recent update. If you don't see this vendor here, then he might be roaming around between the three areas of the village. I also noticed that I couldn't find the secret vendor when I visited the village in the afternoon. So this vendor might also be time specific and only appears at a certain time of the day. The earliest time that I saw the vendor is around 9 a.m. Now interact with the vendor to access the shop. Here you can buy the Sigil of Bonding. The Sigil of Bonding allows your pet to stay on your shoulders for a longer period of time. This mechanic where they stayed too long was supposedly unintended, but the devs added a specific item for people that likes their pets to stay on their shoulders for an extended period of time. Your pet will stay on your shoulder even if you jump, dodge, or even roll. And that's how to get the Sigil of Bonding in Crimson Desert. Thank you so much for watching.